Hey, orchid lovers! Got a wilted orchid? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to bring it back to life with some simple care tricks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss any useful orchid care tips. First, we're going to carefully remove the wilted and yellowing leaves. These leaves are no longer benefiting the plant and can actually take away valuable nutrients that should be going to new, healthy growth. Let's go ahead and remove the old roots and soil. Over time, the old potting mix breaks down, becoming compacted and less effective at providing air circulation and drainage, both of which are super important for healthy orchid roots. Plus, any decayed or rotting roots left behind can lead to infections and weaken the plant. By clearing everything out, we're giving our orchid a fresh, clean start so it can absorb nutrients and moisture more effectively. Trust me, your orchid will thank you for it. Where are you watching from? Drop your city or country in the comments, I'd love to know. And how's your orchid growing journey going? Have you run into any challenges? Let me know below and let's grow together. When we remove old roots and moss from an orchid, we're giving it a fresh start. Over time, old roots can become rotten, preventing the plant from absorbing water and nutrients properly. Moss can also break down and hold too much moisture, leading to root rot. By clearing away the old and unhealthy parts, we create the perfect environment for new, strong roots to grow, helping the orchid thrive in its fresh potting mix. When we remove rotten leaves and roots, we're not just cleaning up the plant. We're actually giving it a fresh start. Rotten roots can't absorb water or nutrients properly, and they may even spread disease or fungus to the healthy parts of the plant. The same goes for decayed leaves. They can trap moisture, inviting bacteria and pests that could harm the entire orchid. By carefully trimming away these damaged parts, we're helping the orchid focus its energy on growing strong, healthy roots and fresh, vibrant leaves. This step is crucial for its recovery and long-term health. So, even though it might seem like we're taking away a lot, we're actually setting the plant up for success. Have you ever had to trim your orchid like this? Let me know in the comments. No worries if the language is tricky. Our videos have subtitles in 100+ languages, including English, French, German, Japanese, Korean, and more. To turn them on, 1. Tap the Settings icon. 2. Select Subtitles, CC, and choose your language. 3. If not available, use Auto Translate for more options. Enjoy the video in a language that suits you. Don't forget to give your orchid a good rinse after trimming. This helps wash away any remaining debris, sap, or bacteria that could cause infections. A gentle rinse with clean water will also refresh the plant and prepare it for the next steps in its care routine. Think of it as a little spa treatment for your orchid before it settles into its new home. Use a soft cotton pad or cloth to gently wipe down your orchid and dry off any excess moisture. This helps prevent water from sitting on the leaves and roots, which could lead to rot or fungal issues. We're going to take 2 cloves of garlic and finely chop them up. The reason we do this is that garlic contains natural compounds like allicin, which have antifungal and antibacterial properties. These can help protect our orchid from harmful diseases and pests, giving it an extra layer of defense. By chopping the garlic, we allow it to release all those powerful benefits that will help your plant stay strong and healthy. Now, we're going to pop the chopped garlic into a blender. Now, we're going to use some rose petals. Take the flowers and gently tear them into smaller pieces. Rose petals are more than just beautiful flowers. They actually offer a variety of benefits for orchids. When you use rose petals, you're introducing natural oils, antioxidants, and essential nutrients that can really help support your orchid's health. These oils help improve your plant's immune system, keeping it strong and resilient against pests and diseases. Now, let's add those rose petals into the blender along with the garlic. By blending the two together, we're creating a powerful mix that combines the healing properties of both. "500 milliliters water. This combination can help nourish and protect your orchids, keeping them strong and healthy. It's like creating a natural remedy for your plants. Ready to mix? Let's go! After blending the garlic and rose petals together, it's time to strain the mixture. Straining will help separate the solid bits, leaving you with a smooth, nutrient-packed liquid that's ready to nourish your orchids. This liquid will be rich in all the good stuff your plants need, so take your time to strain it carefully, making sure to catch any leftover pieces. Once you have the clear liquid, you'll be all set to give your orchids that special boost they've been waiting for. Let it rest for 20 minutes. Now, let's bring in the coconut. Coconut is a fantastic addition to orchid care because it's full of natural nutrients and moisture. Let's add 100 milliliters of coconut water to our solution. Next up, we're going to dilute the mixture with 500 milliliters of water. This will help balance the strength of the solution, making it perfect for your orchid's delicate needs. Let's pour the solution into a large bowl. Using cotton or a soft cloth soaked in the solution to wipe your orchid helps to gently apply the nutrients and remove any dust or debris without damaging the delicate leaves and stems. The cotton absorbs the liquid and distributes it evenly over the plant, ensuring it gets all the benefits of the natural ingredients we've prepared. By using a soft, non-abrasive material like cotton, we avoid harming the plant while providing a thorough and gentle treatment. It's like giving your orchid a nice, soothing bath, which keeps it healthy and thriving. Here's a fun fact about orchids in Germany. Did you know that Germany is home to one of the largest orchid shows in Europe? The Orchideenwelt, Orchid World exhibition, is held annually, attracting thousands of orchid lovers and experts from all over the world. It's a beautiful celebration of orchid diversity, where you can find rare and exotic species and learn about the best care practices for your own plants. Soak it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we'll take the orchid out and let it dry. It's important to gently wipe the orchid with a cotton ball to remove excess moisture, ensuring it's completely dry. This helps prevent any water from lingering on the plant, which could lead to rot or fungal growth. Keep it nice and dry, and we're on our way to a healthy, happy orchid. Next, we'll take a floral foam, also known as a flower foam. And pour some water into it. Let it soak for about 15 minutes, so it becomes fully saturated. After 15 minutes, the floral foam should be fully soaked and nice and moist. Now, it's time to start planting your orchid. Gently place the orchid's roots into the foam, ensuring they're supported and able to grow in this moist, nurturing environment. Use plant clips and a small metal rod to gently hold the orchid in position. This will ensure the plant stays stable as it settles into the floral foam and its roots begin to establish. Let's place the orchid into a large jar for propagation. Three days later, we'll add 200 milliliters of water into the orchid's container. This will help keep the environment moist and provide the necessary hydration for your orchid to continue thriving. Remember, proper watering is essential to keep your orchid happy and healthy. The new roots will start to sprout, growing longer and thicker, with a healthy white or light green color. These roots will extend and spread out into the growing medium, seeking nutrients and moisture. As they develop, they may start to form little root tips, which are a good sign of healthy growth. The roots should look plump and firm, not shriveled or mushy, indicating that your orchid is adapting well to its new environment. We will primarily use pine bark for planting the orchid. Pine bark is an excellent choice because it provides good drainage and aeration, which is crucial for the health of your orchid's roots. It allows air to flow freely around the roots, preventing them from suffocating and promoting healthy growth. The bark also retains some moisture while drying out quickly enough to prevent overwatering, which can cause root rot. Just make sure to break it down into smaller pieces for a more even consistency, and your orchid will love the new growing medium. After adding the pine bark, gently place your orchid in the pot, making sure the roots are spread out properly. This will give them plenty of room to grow and thrive, ensuring that the plant stays healthy and strong in its new home. And that's it for today's orchid care tips. I hope you found these steps helpful in reviving your orchid and giving it the care it deserves. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more orchid care tips and tricks. Leave a comment below sharing your orchid experiences or any questions you may have. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy gardening and take care of your beautiful orchids.